In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a Visa gift card here on your PS5. This is super easy to do, but if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and head over to the PlayStation Store from your home screen. And once you are on this store, you're going to want to find whatever game it is that you might want to go ahead and purchase. For example, let's just go ahead and say I want to get myself, I don't know, Arc Raiders, just because it's on the home screen right now and I don't have it on my PlayStation. Essentially, go ahead and select it and then select on that price. Choose whatever bundle you want for whatever game. And then once you get to this payment screen right here, what you're going to want to do is select these little three dots and hit change payment method. And it's going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this. Essentially, you head over to the credit or debit card option right here and select it. And then in this section, you're going to want to go ahead and type in, that card number, the expiration date, the security code right here. And for the name on your card, go ahead and just put your name on here. And once everything is confirmed, simply go ahead and hit continue. It may ask for your billing address. Just go ahead and put, your standard billing information in. And as long as your Visa gift card has enough of a balance, the purchase will go through the game and start downloading. And it really is as simple as that. That is how you can redeem a Visa gift card here on your PS5. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.